another video. And guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up Revenge Rat v0.3. A lot of people lately have been asking me on Discord and PMing me on Discord if I can make a tutorial on a free ratting program, and that's what I'm exactly doing today. So this is Revenge Rat. It is a free rat program. Link to the hack forums thread will be in the description below. But yeah, so when you download it, you should get all this in the folder here. You're gonna go ahead and open up Revenge Rats, and like any other rat video, you're gonna need to have a port open. So if you guys do not have a port open, then this will not work. Most rats require port forwarding, as I stated in previous rat tutorial videos. For those of you that need extra help or do not know how to port forward correctly, feel free to go in the description below and check out my friend's ebook. It will go over everything you need to know with port forwarding, and it can help you tremendously. As well as you can join our Discord channel where we can give you additional help. A Revenge Rat, however, does look a little bit like Imminent Monitor, and that's what I will show you. You're going to see like the GUI is going to look a little bit like Imminent Monitor, and you'll see that too. So once you click on the Revenge Rats, right there, you're going to get this thing right here. You're going to put your port right here. You're going to keep this the same and keep that the same, and click Start Listening. And you can exit out the port. As you can see, it looks very similar to Imminent Monitor. This would probably be like Imminent Monitor downgraded to free. But yeah, so under main you have your clients, your thumbnails, client map, client logs, client builder. Under settings you have your options, plugin control, on connect, and blacklist. And then under database you have your save logs and save data. So in order to build, we're going to go ahead and build this up. We're going to go under client builder once again. You're going to go to your network settings. You're going to put your IP or VPN IP or VPS IP here, and then put your port here, and then you're going to click this little green button right here, and it's going to add it right down here. There's already going to be the local host. You can go ahead and remove the local host, which is the 127.0.0.1. Go ahead and remove that. Then under basic settings, you can go ahead and identify your client and then run the mutex. So I'm going to go ahead and run the mutex, and then you client identifier, and then reconnect delay. You can do whatever you want with that. It just, I guess, like I really don't understand what that kind of does, to be honest. So I just keep it the same. Under install settings, if you're planning on using a cryptor, you can go ahead and leave all of this right here blank. The cryptor will go ahead and do this for you. But if you're not, then you're going to go to drop and put the application in the temp, no, where is it? My documents, and drop it, whatever you want to name it there. Same with startup settings. If you're going to use a cryptor, you can leave all this blank. If you're not, go ahead and click up the start right there. PowerShell settings. So this is basically like writing commands. You have the multi-binder where you can file bind the rat stub. If you're using, once again, a cryptor, you can go ahead and use that within the cryptor, and probably the cryptor is just better in general to use if you're using a rat. Host file settings, if you're using a DNS. Then you have your notification settings, so if you want to make it a little more real, this helps a lot. Actually, if you're using Spartan Cryptor, the only way that the cryptor will connect to your stub is if it has a notification setting on it. So it's very important that you do use that. Then you have your icon setting, where you can use your custom icons. They already give you some icons to use. I don't recommend using these ones. I recommend using your own. As you can see, they're kind of shitty. So yeah. Assembly settings, once again, you can use that. You can use your assembly settings in the cryptor, because pretty much a cryptor is going to do everything here. So if you're using a cryptor, then the only thing that you really need to do is you need to do your network settings, and then you can go ahead and compile. If you're not planning on doing that stuff, then I'm just going to still go over it. So assembly settings, if you want to make your rat like look more legit, or you want to like clone, like if say you're putting your rat as Nvidia or like something like that, Nvidia, some kind of like that, like Camtasia, you can go ahead and change the title, the file description, and try to copy the file description for the real products to make it look more legit. Inject settings. You have your spreading settings, so if you want to spread, then USB, and you have your modal protection. You don't need any of this stuff. It's going to probably actually increase your detection rate, so I recommend not doing that. Once you have configured the wrap to your liking, you can then go ahead and click compile, and then you can go ahead and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name this YouTube, like that, and then it will build it. And then you're going to go into your folder that you have your Revenge Rat, and your stub should be there. So now we're going to go ahead and test the stub, and I should connect here. Let me just take off ESET real quick because this rat is not encrypted, so ESET will definitely delete it. Go back here. Oh, here. Let me just make sure it's offline. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this here. Move this up a little more. Can't see. Alright, copy. And then paste it. Alright. And then we're going to go ahead and run as a man. Yes. I don't know what that was there. Yep, there we go. And as you can see, I did connect right there. And then once you've connected, you have very limited options on the Revenge Rat. You have your control center, where you have your file manager, your remote desktop, your remote camera. Then you have the audio feed, the keylogger, and system manager. Under extra, you have pastime, chat, torrent seeder, system information, password recovery, and request evaluation. Then under execute, you have scripts, download and execute, upload and execute. Under client, you have ping, and you have the update, disconnect, uninstall, restart, and close. Under select, you can select all or select none, and then open folder. So as you can see, Revenge Rat does have limited features. Of course, you can't really expect a free rat to have much features, but for Revenge Rat, this is a decent rat. It's probably the most stable rat right now that is created in VB. So I highly do recommend this rat. If you guys want a rat that's similar like Imminent Monitor, then this is the rat that you're going to use. But yeah, guys, so this is pretty much Revenge Rat. All the links for this rat will be in the description below. Everything you need to know will be in the description below, including the Discord channel. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. But I do recommend you guys to join the Discord channel because I do respond much faster on Discord because I'm on Discord most of the day. So if you guys message me on Discord, I'll get a notification on my phone, etc. I'm always constantly checking Discord, so that's the best place to contact me. If you guys don't want to use Discord, that's fine. You can always just leave a comment down below, but it's not going to be as fast as a response as it would be on Discord. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.